So this is our finished product after our repair. This is our new 3/4 brass barbed fitting. There's our old plastic one that should have never been in here in the first place. There's what it's like done right with brass professional grade fittings. Alright, and that feeds the water to the cold for the horses to drink their water in their stalls, which is located just over here on the other side. As you can see, right there against the wall, that's an auto feeder for a horse, fed by underground water lines. This is the beautiful horse that it usually in this stall. Once again, the really cool barn kitty here, who's eating out of the bag in there, and he's